In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find what's selling on Etsy, helping you achieve an impressive 7,000 orders in just 4 months. If you're looking to start or grow your Etsy business, understanding what products are popular can be a game changer. So let's dive into the process that will set you up for success. First, we'll start with the basics by heading over to Etsy. Simply open your browser, go to Etsy.com, and you're ready to begin your discovery journey. With Etsy being a vast marketplace filled with an array of unique items, understanding where and how to start is crucial. The goal here is to harness Etsy's platform to gather insights on trending and high-demand products, paving a path for you to tap into popular markets effectively. Next, you want to research best-selling items on Etsy. When you're on the site, use the search bar and type in best-selling items. As you scroll through the results, pay attention to the best sellers tags on the listings. These tags are key indicators of items that are consistently performing well. Additionally, look for listings with high reviews and note how frequently sales are occurring. These metrics will give you a good sense of what customers are currently gravitating towards. Once you've got a feel for the top sellers, it's time to delve deeper and analyze competitors. Focus on browsing the top shops within your chosen niche. Take the time to study their product offerings, pricing strategies, and the descriptions they use. Keywords play a pivotal role, so note down the ones they incorporate into their listings, as this can help enhance your search visibility. Understanding the competitive landscape equips you with valuable insights, which can be adapted to enhance your own shop's offerings. Now, let's not forget about the importance of seasonal and trending products. As you continue your research, identify items that peak during specific holidays, events, or seasonal shifts. For instance, products that trend during Christmas might differ significantly from those popular in the summer. To stay ahead of the curve, follow platforms like Pinterest, Instagram, and TikTok. These social media sites are excellent for spotting viral product ideas that are resonating with a wider audience and can provide fresh perspectives on potential new listings for your shop. Finally, once you've made informed decisions and started listing products, it's essential to test, monitor, and improve your offerings. Keep track of what sells well, and make a habit of reading customer reviews actively. This feedback is invaluable as it provides direct insights into customer preferences and potential areas for improvement. Use this information to refine your products or listings and ultimately to grow your shop's success on Etsy. Now you're equipped with foundational steps and tips to help you find what's selling on Etsy and accelerate your journey towards achieving thousands of orders.